batty boy. Me fire too, pussy. If I never blood clot, no. Me knock it on boy too. Batty boy. You think me run? Where you think they hold on for me for batty boy?
When you hear that, my viewers, me have the rest of the video they phone see. Bigz, the youth who had in the car when time the man them flick Joe bat. Say him ready for tell film side of the story. So now welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So now drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you don't know subscribe yet. So my people, here we are going to the be a crash dummy badness. So now listen to this.
Boom, 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 boom. Pussy all numb like a chance to run. Batty boy. Me fire too. Pussy. If I never blood clot, no. Me knock it on boy too. Batty boy. You think me run? Where you think they hold on for me for batty boy? A gunpowder they find for me and pussy. Go suck out your mama. Run go where? Which boy can make me run batty boy? You idiot. What you do about man youth? I cheer we got a road youth and me never run left my friend, bro. Me never run left Joe, bro. God almighty, you know, bro. Run left who, bro? Me turn up right time man side youth. And when me I talk to you 911 caller, bro. Jaja youth. How when me I talk to you 911 caller, bro. And when me I talk to you 911 caller, bro. Alright, that's something there.
When you hear that, my viewers, the media gonna be the death away. A Bigz that. A him they dinner the car when the man them pull up and flick Joe bat and World Dawg lay down flat pan film back. When you hear what Bigz say, Bigz say him a tell story and I say him did a knock it and a clap it up on the man them. Him never itch. Fi bust it back off of the boy them. Him never freeze up. My people, be a crash dummy badness we say a go on from what day ya. A bag of youth they on TikTok. I chat one bag of badness. I listen to the people them in a them comment section. And me I wonder if them not smart enough yet for realize, say brother, I send people going on the comment section for you beat up and set up on yourself, you know. You not pre-damage there yet. Every day you come on TikTok. I chat one bag of badness. I incriminate on yourself. I set up on yourself. So when police ready, brother, police now go ask no question. Them go just come lock on up. Cause you done beat up on yourself already on the media. So my viewers, listen some more of this. And then we're gonna talk again.
Oh, fuck the man for set up Joe life, bro. Stop bringing down fuckery on the man, bro. You see, you know fucking go like on a bumbo clock absence, bro. On a fucking illiterate. Yo, me so ignorant, me not can blood clot pronounce the word good youth. On so blood clot done to youth, on a fool youth. Because we're not reading, we're not reason no bumbo clot farmer sense, bro. Bro, oh a man, bro.
When you hear that, my viewers, so when Joe drop out, Joe family them a blame World Dawg. Them a say, if Joe never dey beside a World Dawg, Joe would have still there live up to the day, yeah. I mean, know enough people out there have that thought, they say are true that. Because you see at the end of the day, Joe did have no enemy on road. Nobody did a hunt Joe. No World Dawg people I look for. No World Dawg and people always in a problem on TikTok. Till hear it now, my people. Everybody a come out and I say, you a butter this, a butter that, and butter this, and butter that. Me a fear wonder if a chiffon or a margarine, which one of the butter them, the youth you wanna see on the screen, I him them call so. But you see when most of them youth you know, brother, I prefer to keep on yourself quiet and shut on your mouth. Cause what? The Joe investigation not still a go on. The case is not a still open case. So why all of them youth here come on the media and a chat this and a chat that? How what? A informing badness around the place now. Crash dummy badness and all type of thing. And that's why we see so much youth a come out on the media and a talk this and a talk that. But as when I say my people, them a go feel it at the end of the day. You hear that? Because them a incriminate themselves. Them a come on the media and a talk up a bag of things. So you hear what Bigz office say? How him clap it and knock it up back on the boy them, fling 9 ball off of them, and I never World Dawg set up Joe. My people, wanna stay safe out there, protect phone 3 points, cause you don't know the thing go. A life over that road. You see me?
See. Boom, 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 boom. Pussy, I know me not get a chance to run. Batty boy. Me fire too. Pussy. If you never blood clot, no. Me knock it on boy too. Batty boy. You think me run? Where you think they hold on for me for batty boy? A gunpowder they find for me and pussy. Go suck out your mama. Run go where? Which boy can make me run batty boy? You eat.